Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can stretch text in Canva vertically or horizontally. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Okay, there is a two method I will show you. First method, you can simply go to the elements and search for frames. Okay, we can use the frame for stretch. Okay, under the frame, go to the see all and just type your letter which you want to put. I just put the net. Okay, so you need to put any text like this. Okay, now just place the perfect line. Okay, like this. Okay, now select all that frame by dragging this arrow. Now group it. Now can minimize or maximize the size. You can stretch it at vertically. Okay, like this. Now come to the elements and search for black plain background. So here we have some background. You can go to the graphics or photo. I just go for photos and choose any black background and put on this every letter. Okay, so you can choose any other color like blue, red, whatever. I just put the black color only. Okay, now you can see this text has been created and we can stretch horizontally and also we can stretch vertically. Once you're done, just place this text anywhere and just download it. Okay, this is the first method. Second method is the one app you can use. Okay, go to the app and search for type craft. Here open it and here type your letter. Okay, and come to the font. You can also change font from here. Here you can change the color of this text. Okay, here you can change the letter spacing. If you want to change the letter spacing, you can change. Okay, so here we go to the customize and here the vertically you can just select that vertically and you can stretch like this. Okay, we have horizontally also and mirror or normal. Okay, after you're done, just go to the add design. Your text will be added on the canvas. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.